Key steps: curettage and cautery, lesion marking, local anesthesia, cycles of curettage and cautery. Punch biopsy of a suspicious lesion on the patient's arm confirmed basal cell carcinoma. After histologic diagnosis, the patient returned for curettage and cautery as a treatment option. Mark the lesion with a surgical marker to clearly delineate the extent of the superficial cancer. Infiltrate local anesthesia consisting of lidocaine with epinephrine under the lesion. Use a curette to scrape the lesion from the skin surface down into the dermal layer. As curettage is performed, the operator should be able to sense the softness of the basal cell cancer in contrast to the normal dermal layer. Remove all areas of abnormal density tissue. Be especially attentive to the area where the punch biopsy was performed and the prior borders from the surgical marker. Curette the lesion in every direction, performing cautery between each curettage episode. Generally, perform 4 cycles of curettage and cautery to ensure that the process eradicates any dermal extension of the basal cell cancer. Cover the wound with a simple adhesive bandage upon completion of the procedure. Cure is assured by finding normal skin on follow-up examination.